Okay.
Itchy nose.
Take glasses off.
Oh, don't you want to look sophisticated?
No.
Why don't you want to look sophisticated?
Because I don't.
Why?
They've already seen me with no makeup and glasses. They can
Have they?
Yeah, they can
Right.
see me looking like a little doll. Anyways, hi everyone.
What's with the
Actually,
hands?
no, I'm going to start that again. I want to do something different.
Oh, you want to do something different?
What
All
can
right.
I say?
Just don't go, hi guys, 'cause
Hi
that's what all
guys.
the vloggers do, all right?
I know.
Off you go. Would you come up? You're using up memory space.
How do you say hello in Canada?
I don't know. Hello.
Hello.
Just have a wine and start talking like you normally do.
Hey everyone. It's after 3 p.m, so it's drinking time for Peter and Beck, and we...
It's exactly 3 p.m.
Which means drinking time at our workplace. And we... God, I'm bad at introductions.
You're so bad.
I'm so bad at
I
introductions.
can't believe you're drinking 3 hours after you woke up. Do I need to start
Maybe
this?
you need to start this.
Anyway, we get lots and lots of comments coming through from our YouTube, our Insta page, just wanting to know...
Even in real life as well.
In real life, people wanting to know how we met and a little bit about our history together.
How I got my job.
How you got your job. You can start off. I'll start off. We got very, very busy, extremely busy. I wasn't coping. I had an assistant, and my assistant needed an assistant because she wasn't getting through her workload. I was screaming for ages, get one, get one, get one. She went through the normal channels and really nothing was coming up. So I said, just stick a friggin' ad on Facebook, do something. I've got a big following, so someone might stick their head up.
And I used to be a model, which we'll get to in a little bit, but I stopped modeling, but I still knew, like, that's how I met Peter originally, was from, being a model. So I had him on Facebook and this thing goes up, but the weirdest part of it all was I used to work at Telstra, which if you're in Australia, you'll know who Telstra is. It's just like a telecommunications company. Working in a call center, absolutely hating it, trying to work my way up to become a PA to someone there. And that wasn't going anywhere, but I decided I wanted to be a PA because I'm a people person, I'm pretty organized, don't laugh. What, you think I'm not organized?
Can I take the camera and show you, oh, your room doesn't have explosion?
Not like physically, but like...
Mentally.
Mentally, I'm pretty organized with my stuff. So I was like, I can make someone else's life easier, that's what I'll do. And I was talking to my boyfriend and it was so random. I was just like, you know whose PA I'd like to be? Peter Colson's. And he's like, wow, you haven't mentioned that name in years since you stopped modeling. But I don't know, I was just like, yeah, I just decided that. And 2 days later, the ad went up on Facebook. Like, so spooky. And then the spookiest part was the day, like, I waited 2 days to apply, but Peter said to his old assistant, like, I need someone like Beck. Like,
well, we had lots of people send us emails and things like that, but they just weren't the right person. I needed someone who could travel 6 months of the year, had that flexibility in their life. They couldn't be looking after an elderly parent or have
babies and
that type of thing. And I actually said to my assistant, I just want someone like this model I used to shoot with, Beck, and I was seeing what she's done with her life with Telstra and sort of moved on, and she was always sort of switched on when I saw her. She's not anymore, so I don't know what it might be wine, but yeah, I just mentioned that day, I just want someone like Beck, and then
I applied, and it was just weird. Yeah, spooky ESP, woo, and I don't know, it was just kind of manifested. So that's how it all happened. That's how I met Peter. But the whole, I used to model and now I'm
not a model.
Hashtag
not a model.
Not a model. That is not putting me down. I'm the one who started saying it. And
no, you didn't. You stole it off some other Instagrammer.
I stole. Well,
it's not yours.
It's a saying. People go to like Times Square and they go like super posy, and then people are like, "Oh, not a model," and that's where I stole it from. But when I started working for Peter, these models are coming in and they're like getting these beautiful shots, and I was like, oh, I kind of miss getting a Peter shot because I really like. And even when I was modeling, when I quit it, I said to Jared, it was a point and I was like, I actually don't want to work with any other photographer because they all make me feel super uncomfortable, and then I don't get good photos. But Peter just relaxes it down, and I'm like, he's the only person I want to shoot with. I don't want to shoot with other people because they're not connecting with me and they're not like relaxing, because you're so different to everyone else. God, I talk a lot with my hands. I think I was Italian in a previous
life. It's the pizza.
Yeah, it's a pizza and pasta and wine. I think I was Italian in a previous life. Anyways.
Not a model.
Yeah.
The best way, and we use it, and I'm shooting a lot of not a models these days. A model is someone who, especially in the old days, was a girl in a G-string. She'd turn up to a photo shoot and she was basically in a G-string, and the client or the art director or the editorial, whatever, would then put on whatever they wanted to sell. They'd make her hair however they wanted, they'd do makeup however they wanted. It wasn't what the model wanted, it's what the client wanted. And really good models, you can put the ugliest clothes on them, you put crazy makeup that makes them look terrible, and they will model it. They're just happy modeling. They really don't care about how they look, they just care about doing the best they can. Yeah. Not a model, more the girls who've been working longer in the industry and over that, they're not getting enough money to make it worthwhile looking like an idiot. Or having clown friggin' hair on, or stupid stuff that you don't like. And they're more about creating their look. So, and this goes to the supermodels. So most of the supermodels now are at the point of their career where they can decide what jobs they're going to do or not do. And you'll find that, you know, the supermodels aren't going to do product shots, work with companies that they don't like for money, because they're normally pretty well off.
Yeah.
So people like Beck, who is 100% happy modeling as long as it's her way. She's in control. Well, she's into control for a lot of it. She says she decides on the light. She might say natural light or flashlight, but I'm the one who actually sets the light.
Yeah, you set it up, but I'll like, but it's also the way that you work. So like, you get me to pick out the reference photos.
Yeah, you pick out.
So I pick out the reference, and then like, so that's why I say I'm in control of the light, because I've gone through and said, I want that lighting, and then you'll go set it up.
Yeah.
And then I do my makeup.
Or twist it a little bit to my taste.
Yeah. But then I pick out what I'm wearing. I do my own hair and makeup, and I'm not letting someone else tell me like, this is exactly what you're doing, because it might not be what I want to put out to the world. It might not be my look. It might not be my style.
What I might do is just quickly show you just some stuff that a lot of you wouldn't know. And these are pictures I've taken of Beck, and this was from the very first photo shoot I did with her. And this is back when she was 17. She was this lanky, skinny, emo-y thing, but she had the fashion shape. She always posed hips forward. She had that shape. And this is just sort of me flicking through a session of early work that we did together. A little cat. How old were you with the cat? You were about 20, 19?
How old was
I? It doesn't matter.
No, I think I was like 20. I was 20.
One thing that Beck does not do nude. She's never, ever, ever been nude in front of me. So things like this is we've removed the G-string and she had tape and things like that. So lots of people don't realise that a lot of the shoots I do that they look nude, they're not nude. So I want great faces, and I'm not going to get great faces if they're scared. Mm. So these is just flicking through. Was that their last shoot that we did before you gave? That was the last
before the break. Yeah.
Before you gave up modelling. That was still the last.
It's all the same day.
Same day, yeah. Cool. And then bang, the first day back at work. Peter, I want my photo taken. I want my photo.
It wasn't the first day. I think I waited like 2 weeks before I...
Before you hassled me.
I didn't hassle you. I just politely nudged
So
you.
this is now what's happened. The weird thing is you don't see much of a change. She hasn't aged a friggin' day.
I'm a vampire, guys. That's why I have claws that I...
So yeah, this is just a progression through the shots. We travel a fair bit, so things like that. That was on the floor near the doorway in a hotel room. She had a full dress like this on, and we just pulled the doona off and tucked the straps. I don't think it had straps.
No, it didn't have straps. It was
and
strapless.
instantly it looks like, you know, she's naked under that, but she was actually wearing a dress just like this.
And I was wearing boots as well, but you can't see the boots, so yeah.
So all these things, this is a series we've started doing, which is shooting Beck around the world looking naked. Again, she's not naked. She actually has a little crop toppy thing on the pair of shorts.
Well, they would have seen the last
video.
video.
If you're watching New York video, you'll understand what she was wearing and how we went about doing these. And a lot of this stuff is just stuff, if we've got time in between shoots, or if she pesters me long enough, I want to shoot. Or
if we're caught up on editing.
Or if we've caught up on editing, we'll do these shoots, and these are sort of pretty much, that was the last one we've edited, which was in LA. I do have a really good working relationship with Beck. It's professional and really unprofessional sometimes. But it's how we get. This is why we actually can work, travel so long hours and do long days, is because we try and keep it inappropriate comments. We don't care what each other say. We joke around.
But we get shit done.
We get lots of shit done. Anyway, we've most likely raved too long.
That sounds unlike us. This is probably going to be the weirdest video ever.
It will be. I think chopped cheese might have to come into it.
Would you stop drinking so much? Would you stop sleeping until 12 p.m?
Beat yourself up, why don't you?
Would you stop playing with your hair?
Would you stop going out for pizza at like 3 in the morning wearing a mini skirt? I think to wrap this up, I hope you found this enjoyable, just to hear a little bit about us. The YouTube is a little bit the Beck and Pete show. It's really important that she is a part of that, and because we bounce off each other every day, it's going to come up in our videos. We have lots and lots of fun. We shit stir each other really heaps. And
so we thought we would show it to you guys and introduce me a little bit and explain that, so for all the questions. I don't want to be like a plug person, but there is a full in-depth interview with me on Inspire. So we didn't want to go too deep into it, but yeah, that's on there if anyone's interested, if you care about me enough.
I don't think they do.
I don't think they do.
So you're going to wrap it up?
I thought you were just doing it. I was letting you talk again.
You can wrap it up.
Alright, well, I hope you guys...
I just don't... I won't try not to overtalk you while you're doing it, alright? You ready?
I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, just... I don't know.
And yeah. What's and yeah? Is this your new saying, and yeah? Serious. Dead puppies, dead puppies, dead puppies.
Hope you guys...
What? I did nothing.
I wasn't even talking and you interrupted me. Like, you're not my laughing. Right. This is a new level.
Get professional.
Sorry, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See what I have to put up with?
I did nothing. Stop being so childish.
If you do have any more questions, please leave them below. Hope you enjoyed. Catch you next time. Hope this was interesting and you guys got to see what we're really like when we're being professional but not professional, drinking at 3 p.m. in the afternoon.
It's 3:17.
3:17. And I've really finished a wine. Wow. I think that actually caught me like kind of sculling wine.
Did you scull while I was talking?
Maybe.
I'm going to find that bit of footage and slow it down so we can see.
I'm ranting again. What is with me? Oh my God. Okay. Bye guys. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed it.
Like her nails?
Oh yeah, I got holographic nails, just PS.
Now she can't do anything. She can't type. She can't put memory cards in cameras.
I'm now useless.
No, more useless. Oh, that was jinx. That's weird. We're sitting on the same couch. Yeah.
Stop.
Where's the pillow between us?
No, we don't have the pillow between us.
Anyway, this is going to rave on forever
We've
because
been
this
raving
is
for
this
so
is
long,
just what we
Giles.
do every day, all day. You're getting to see what we've actually really
What
like.
we're like.
Can you get that pillow, please? I'll just put this. Now I'm more comfortable.
Okay, this has like been the longest goodbye ever.
It's not goodbye.
Well, like the longest wrapping it up.
Yeah, it's a wrap up. It's not goodbye. Well, we're going to come back and do another one.
Yeah, I know, but okay, we need to cut this.
Now we'll cut it.
I'm gonna have a die.
I think I'll do some editing. I think it's a lot of bullshit raving.
Why are we like this?
It's not me, it's you.
No, it's me becoming you. Me every time I try to do something, just absolutely cooking it. I'm not a YouTuber. I'm like I hate this world.
Hey guys, okay, so catch you next time.
That's an Insta, isn't it?
Well, they're a YouTube Insta influencer.
Influencers.
Yeah, I'm not an influencer.
No, you
Not a
just
model,
you just
no.
give people it.
Yes. I'm having a dart.
I better turn sound off.